Hey guys, it's Jay with Excel Roofing. Today we're going to talk about attic ventilation. This is a static attic vent. We put a number of these up on new roofs when we change out the roof. There's a hole and the air naturally exhausts through the top of them. They're pretty good. A better way to vent your attic, and the one that I prefer, is with an attic fan. Both of these are attic fans that we install on top of the roof. This happens to be a solar-powered attic fan. The electricity is created from this photovoltaic cell that converts the sunlight into electricity. This fan right here is wired into the power system of the home. First off, we'll take a look at the powered attic fan. Underneath the shroud, we have the fan that spins around. It's got an electric motor. This will move about 1,250 cubic feet of air per minute. A cubic foot of air is about this big. Probably 1,250 would be about the size of this room. If you can imagine all of the air in this room being exchanged once every minute, that's what this fan is going to do for your attic. It is a great way to cool the attic down. The next one that we have right here is the solar powered attic fan. I really like these a lot. This is the one that I have on my house. I'm going to pop the top of it off and show you what the inside of this one looks like. So inside of the solar powered attic fan, you can see the fan motor and the blades themselves. This also moves a tremendous amount of air when the sunshine is out. 1,250 cubic feet of air per minute is what this fan is rated at. And the thing I really like about this solar powered attic fan, it is whisper quiet. You cannot hear it during its operation. Very, very quiet. This is the inside of the solar powered attic fan. As you can see, it's got a shroud and then also a screen that goes around the side. The screen is heavy-duty mesh, like this a lot. I've never seen a squirrel get into one of these. These are the two different types of attic fans that we install. We've got the solar-powered attic fan, and we've got the wired attic fan. Two of the best ways that you can ventilate your attic. If you have any questions, you can give us a call or go to the website, excelroofing.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.